Want to speak real Portuguese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at PortuguesePod101.com.
Ser, to be, exist. Ser is one of the ways to say the verb to be in Portuguese. It means the permanent state. So, I am Brazilian. Eu sou brasileira. I'll always be Brazilian. So, eu sou brasileira. Ter, to have. Ter is used to mean that you have something. For example, eu tenho uma irmã. I have a sister. But it's also used to say age. For example, eu tenho 24 anos. I am 24 years old. Fazer, do, make. There's no difference in Portuguese between do and make. So you can say, eu vou fazer um bolo. I'll make a cake. Or, eu vou fazer a lição de casa. I'll do my homework. Dizer, to say. So you can say, ela disse que sabe falar português. She said she can speak Portuguese. Estar, to be. Estar is the other way you can say the verb to be in Portuguese. So you have ser and estar. Estar is the temporary state. So, for example, eu estou em São Paulo. I am in São Paulo. But it doesn't mean I'll be in São Paulo forever. So, for example, tomorrow I can be in Rio. So, today I'm in São Paulo. Hoje eu estou em São Paulo. Lugar, place. Eu amo esse lugar. É tão tranquilo. I love this place. It's so peaceful. Trabalho, work. Trabalho can mean work or job. So, você gosta do seu trabalho? Do you enjoy your job? Semana, week. Semana means week, and weekend would be fim de semana or end of the week. So you could say, eu vou à praia nos fins de semana. I go to the beach on the weekends. Moço, young man. Just like moça that we talked before, moço is a way to call a man in a store or a restaurant. So you could say, moço, você pode trazer a conta, por favor? Excuse me, young man, can you please bring me the check? Senhor, sir. Senhor is the polite way to say you in Portuguese for man. So, você is the informal way and senhor, the formal way. O senhor precisa de ajuda? Would you like some help, sir? Pequeno, small. Pequeno means small, and if you want to say that something is very, very small or very tiny, you can say pequenininho. That is the diminutive for pequeno. Eu vi um cachorro bem pequenininho. I saw a very, very small dog. Feio, ugly. So you could say, for example, eu achei aquela roupa feia. I think that clothes was ugly. Próximo, next. Na próxima semana eu vou viajar. Next week I'm going traveling. Cedo, early. Eu não gosto de acordar cedo. I don't like to wake up early. Novo, young. So novo can mean new, as we said before, and also young. Boa tarde, good afternoon. Boa tarde is the way you greet people afternoon until 5 or 6 p.m., until dawn. So you could say, espero que você tenha uma boa tarde. I hope you have a good afternoon. Boa noite, good evening. Boa noite is the way you greet people at night, so you can say good evening. Boa noite to someone on the street, but you can also say boa noite, good night to someone at home. Boa noite, mãe, eu vou dormir. Good night, mom, I'm going to sleep. Prazer, nice to meet you. Prazer is a nice phrase because it's actually a word, so it's very short. You can use more complex phrases like prazer em conhecê-lo or é um prazer, but prazer is enough. Tchau, bye. Tchau is the way you say bye to someone in Portuguese. So you can say tchau or tchau tchau, and that would be fine. So, eu vou dar tchau para minha amiga. I'm going to say bye to my friend. Estou bem, e você? I'm fine, and you? Estou bem means I'm fine. So, if you're not fine, you can say estou mal, or não estou bem, I'm not fine. Como você está, or tudo bem? You can say estou bem. Eu sou do Brasil. I'm from Brazil. If someone asks you, de onde você é? Where are you from? You can say, eu sou do Brasil, or eu sou brasileira. I'm Brazilian. Eu sou professor. I'm a teacher. Here you are saying your job, so you could say, eu sou professor, I'm a teacher, or eu sou estudante, I'm a student. Eu tenho 27 anos. I'm 27 years old. People may ask your age, so you answer with the verb ter, to have, in Portuguese. Eu tenho 27 anos. I am 27 years old. O meu nome é Miguel. My name is Miguel. This phrase works both for woman or man, so I could say o meu nome é Paloma, as a man could say o meu nome é Miguel. Oi, prazer. Hi, nice to meet you. Oi, prazer. This is a way to introduce yourself very casually, so you can just shake hands with the person and say oi, prazer, or just give her a kiss. You could also say, oi, meu nome é Paloma, prazer. Avó, grandmother. Here you need to hear the sound of the last O in the syllable. It should be an open O, as we say in Portuguese. Avó. A minha avó faz bolo delicioso. My grandmother makes a delicious cake. Avô, grandfather. Can you hear the difference between avó and avô? Here you have a closed O. Avô. Meu avô era inventor. My grandfather was an inventor. Cachorro, dog. Here you may find the CH, cho, and the double R, ho, a little different for you. O nome do meu cachorro é Toy. The name of my dog is Toy. Coração, heart. This word may be hard for you because of the R-A, ra, and the C-A-O, são. A minha almofada tem formato de coração. My pillow is heart-shaped. Mãe, mother. Here you also have a nasal sound, mãe. A minha mãe está brava comigo. My mother is angry at me. You can also say mamãe, which is mommy in English.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.